Hi, my name is Isaac. We are going to unbox this dinosaur Dino Valley playset. Yay! First, let's begin with this boring small stuff. This tree. It's your standard boring tree. This weird pipe gun thing. Pew, pew. Now for the net. You can catch the dinosaurs. Ah, the T-Rex is roaring. Now for the action figures. There are 1, 2, 3. One of them looks like an adventurer. Yeehaw! Another one looks like a scientist. And then the last one looks like a crazy man. They're really detailed, but obviously they're cheap plastic. But I still like it. Now for the boat. It's pretty cool. It's a life raft or whatever. There's the back, bottom. Wait. Here's the bottom. Here's the front. Here's the light. Here's the motor. Here's some paddles on each side, left and right. Now for the car. Here's the correct take of the wire after, okay? It's basically a jeep. It's a jeep. A rope, tire, lights. Pretty standard jeep. Now for the dinosaur. This is an ankylosaurus. But the teeth, they're unrealistic. They're sharp. The teeth of an ankylosaurus are supposed to be flat, like other leaf feeders. Okay, but it's an ankylosaurus. Now, we're soon to the cool one. The helicopter. This one door can open. The right one. You can fit your figures in. like that, but like Not like that, but I'm holding one hand on the helicopter and another on the camera. Okay. It has some orange and black stripes. Let's name it Bumblebee. Yay! Now for the T-Rex, baby. Roar! When you pull his arm, the mouth goes up and down. But these arms are way too big. They're supposed to be tiny. One makes the mouth move and the other one just moves. The legs move. The other leg moves. The tail doesn't. And yeah, the mouth closes. Here's the eye. It's pretty detailed, but it's cheap plastic. I'm kind of sad it's cheap plastic, but it's really detailed though. So please subscribe and leave a like. Bye!